The latest we're tracking currently, with Karnataka reeling from farmer distress and the Congress battling internal rifts, the BJP is launching a big protest today, targeting the Siddaramaiah government over alleged neglect of sugarcane, maize and flood-hit farmers. The state BJP committee chairman Lingaraj Patil said that the state Congress government failed in governance and that corruption has become rampant since it came to power. He has said, and I quote, "Under the leadership of BJP state president B.Y. Vijayendra, we will lay siege to Savarna Vidhan Saudha in Belagavi against the government for not providing relief to farmers affected by heavy rains." We've got B.Y. Vijayendra and D.K. Shivkumar's latest reactions lined up for you. D.K. Shivkumar has categorically said that the centre is not helping farmers. Listen in.
Because of the infighting within the ruling Congress government, issues pertaining to farmers has been neglected by this Congress government. Sugarcane growers are fighting on the streets from last 2 months, but till now there is no clear solution for this protest. Since there was a very big crop loss, they were demanding a proper compensation. Even that issue has not been resolved. And the revenue minister had assured that the farmers will get a compensation within 1 month, but now already 90 days has been over. But till now there is no compensation to the farmers. So taking all this issue, Bharatiya Janata Party, we are protesting here today at Belagavi.
Of course, we want them to all discuss about North Karnataka. We want to discuss about why central government is not helping the farmers, because there is a big crisis among the farmers on the cane price. Government of Karnataka has supported them. Central government is not supporting anything, deciding on the NMRP and the sugar prices also. And even the Mekkejola, also Johar and all this issue, they have not come forward. That is why we want them to raise their voice against the central government. I hope we all are hoping let them do the discussion.
My colleague Deepak Bopanna is with us with more on this at the moment. Deepak, what is the scale and nature of today's BJP protest? And tell us, how is the Congress leadership reacting?
Well, as far as the Congress, through the course of yesterday, they've been maintaining that, the entire issue as far as farmers that the BJP plans to raise, the solution lies with the centre, because the FRP for sugarcane is fixed by them. They've also not come to the rescue of maize farmers. And they're saying that the Congress has come a step forward. They've decided to, of course, put in money from the government to compensate a small portion to the farmers, and also have held discussions with the sugar mill owners to, pay a higher price. So they're saying now whatever needs to be done by the centre, and unnecessarily the BJP is raising issues. From the BJP's end, of course, they're saying administration has taken a serious hit. They're talking about how leadership seems to be taking centre stage in Karnataka. Nothing is really happening as far as governance, and only breakfast meeting seems to be priority for ministers is what, the BJP's charge is. A huge protest is, of course, being planned. We are expecting them, of course, to gather at least in the thousands, and then try to gherao the Savarna Saudha here in Belagavi, which is 500 kilometers away from Bengaluru. The main reason to hold the winter session here is to address issues of farmers and people from northern Karnataka. We'll really have to see how things pan out as the protest, of course, is scheduled for later in the day.
Indeed. We'll keep in touch with you, Deepak, for the same. Thank you so much.